Thanks for tuning back into another episode of Fishing Control. We are out here packing up the car, about to go on another little adventure where hopefully we will get some good fishing time in. We are going to Cleveland, Georgia. I'm not really sure the name of the body of water we're fishing, but I'll get more details as we go. I got the Jeep loaded up. We are getting ready to roll out, so more information when we get there. All right, so we have met up with our friends out here at this random campsite, and the first thing we've noticed is that there's a creek behind these bushes over here. Tent and stuff is right over there, campfire and whatnot. So hopefully I'm going to get to fish some more stuff. I have no idea. I came with an ultralight, a medium, and a medium heavy. Just fish whatever comes our way. So far we noticed a little hole right over here about, I don't know, 100 feet from the tent that has some bluegill in it. So we're going to see if we can go catch some. This is so close to the tent, it's crazy. Okay. And we're here. We're already here. We're at the fishing hole. I did see a video of some guys where they were able to pull their boat right up where their campsite was. I'd like to do that sometime. That'd be cool. Yeah. There's like butterflies on this and stuff. Butterflies.
Oh, butterfly.
There was one over there. Oh, I had a bite. Yes. Let's see if I can actually get him to hold on. There's a bunch of them in there. Oh, shoot. This is so sweet. Right at the campsite. That's in the middle. Oh, got him. That's not bad. That's not bad. Okay. Yay. Yeah, we're shooting. Yeah, hey, look at this guy. Look at that. Little bluegill or something. Little bluegill. Right away? Right away. Boom. Real nice. No, yeah, he's hooked right on the lip. Just right. Let's get a good look here. I got you on this one here. He's real pretty. Kind of palish in these waters here in the creek, but hey, he counts. That's a fish. What's going on? You want a picture?
Yeah, just get a
picture. Yay! You found the spot. Sweet. Well, Bree caught one. We're back here at where the main river, well, it's still just a creek. I don't even think it's a real river. Flows through the spot. Way bigger spot than that little hole we were fishing yesterday, but I couldn't get any trout to bite what I've got. I'm not really prepared for trout fishing, honestly, but I couldn't get the trout to bite up at Dick's Creek. That may wind up being a separate trip just to come up here and try and catch some trout. I got one. Oh, he came off. Dang. Yay!
There's a
Like a whole hole of them here. Heck yeah, that counts.
Definitely,
Yeah.
it definitely counts.
Oh.
Oh,
He tried to kiss you. There we go. I think that's a fish. Yay! That is beautiful. Holy cow. Am I still rolling? I hope I'm still rolling. Fantastic. Wow. I need to get a picture of this guy for my stuff. Caught him on the beetle spin. Definitely getting some bites right up here. This thing is so colorful. I can't wait to show you the pictures of him. Yeah, he's got like red tips all over his scales and red tips on his fins. One last little look at him. I think it's just a green sunfish, but man, is that thing pretty. Let's let him go. Bye-bye. See if I can get one more real quick. I know we're about to be done here, but that was awesome. All right, so we're back here at the house. We didn't catch a heck of a lot of fish, but it really wasn't a dedicated fishing trip. It was a trip to go gym panning for a friend's birthday, but we found some time to fish, and we made some fish happen. Caught 2 fish in the little tiny hole on the first day, a couple of little sunfish of some kind, and then caught a few more sunfish at the river that goes to the campsite, and then I randomly fished. I didn't get this on any video, but I caught another pretty decent one while they were panning. I caught another little sunfish and a little creek chub while they were panning. I stopped panning for a minute and caught something, but I think the next video is going to be a little more focused on bass fishing. I'm going to try a pack of Guggen baits. I got some bandito bug, and I'm going to try some other stuff. So stay tuned for the next episode. We'll see you on the next trip.